Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Transit. It's the Ford sync system. So from any screen, if you go to menu, you've got sync settings at the top, and I always go to use the volume control. But anyway, this is it. Click OK in the middle, and then you've got the direction pointers here. So we're on sync settings. Click OK, and there, if you're having any problems pairing your mobile, streaming audio or anything, make sure there's a tick on that Bluetooth on. So that's the first thing. Then we go to Bluetooth devices, which is the next one down, and you can see there's an arrow at both sides. Click that way, it goes back to sync settings. Click the other way, you see Barry's iPhone. There you've got instructions at the bottom, add, delete and connect, and they correspond to these buttons here. So we want to delete it. We click delete there. Delete Barry's iPhone 10, yes. Click yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Transit. It's the sync system. First of all, what we need to do is make sure Bluetooth is on. Then there's two ways of getting to this. The hard way, I suppose, click menu, then onto sync settings, and then BT devices, click OK, and you see there no phones paired, please add a phone. The other way, the easier way, is you just click phone and same screen comes up. If nothing's connected already, if your passenger hasn't got a phone connected, that screen will come up, and you've got there again, you've got add at the bottom and cancel. Add and cancel at the bottom. They correspond to these buttons here. So we want to add a phone.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Sync's already shown up here. That's one of my GoPro. Well, it's not GoPro, it's a DJI Osmo. But so we click sync. Please begin Barry's iPhone 10 is trying to pair with sync. Does 3.5. Thank you, Mr. Harrison, for just leaving a review just as I'm doing this video. Okay, 354,931. Does it match? Yes. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Gordon Bennett. So I'm 6 minutes to Walnut.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Thank you. So, do you want contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, because I won't be using this again. So don't allow. Download phone book. I don't want to do it, but you would. So that's it, sync connected. Now, again, the great thing with this system, the sync system in the Ford Transit here, is you can stream audio. So if we go to tunes, I'll turn that down, but if you click on the red triangle with the 3 red circles at the bottom, you'll see iPhone and sync. If it's not ticked, just touch, go back, and I'll click play, then auxiliary. That's showing. If you've got anything else attached to it, you might have to click auxiliary a couple of times, and you can see there you've got options, device, info and so on. So if I turn this up and then this, there you go. That's how you do it. Real good system in the Ford. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.